Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna bring something really cool. But before we do anything here guys, please subscribe to the channel and show me your support. All right, so guys, today I'm bringing Genesis Plus, and this one guy is different than everything you saw before. Right, I'm bringing all the consoles that this emulator can support, with the covers and ROMs. Everything is really good, and I hope you're gonna like this. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this, right? So let's see how everything works. Oh, and before we do something here, so just let you know guys that the link for this content is going to be at the comment below. All right, so let's see how everything works. So first of all, the channel. So you're gonna have the channel, and then you can install on your Wii, and it's gonna be just like that. All right, so I'm gonna click. Nice. All right, press A. Hey guys, just so you know, I'm using my Wii remote. All right, so and yeah, you can plug your classic controller, you can plug your Pro controller. I didn't try the GameCube controller, but I don't know if it's gonna work. All right, so yeah. All right, so let's touch here, load game. And then let's start with the Megadrive. All right, so Genesis, but in Brazil and Europe, they call Megadrive. You know that, right? So let's touch here and here, Gen Plus, ROMs, and then we can type MD. All right, so guys, now I'm turning my Wii remote. I'm putting my Wii remote on a horizon position. All right, and then I can touch down, and I can see all the games and covers all synced. All right, so yeah, pretty good, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, man. I think that's the first time you're going to see all, like I said, you're going to see all the consoles, you know, with ROMs and covers, right? So, and again, I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy this, and you're going to be so happy playing this on your Nintendo Wii. All right, so that was the Megadrive, right? So I'm pressing B, returning everything. All right, so let's see now the Mega CD. All right, so guys, look this, man. Oh my goodness, I don't believe I'm bringing this to you guys. Look, CD. So now same thing, touching down, and then you can see the game in the covers. All right, so I think that's the how I'm gonna say, I think that's the last time I'm bringing this content, because after that, only if they kind of update the emulator to something really cool, you know. So yes, something really better than this, right? So this is the mod cover. All right, and yeah, that's it. All right, and if you touch, the game starts right away. I'm not gonna play anything, because if I do that, the video is going to be so long, and I don't wanna. I got a lot of things to do to rebuild this channel. All right, so once again, I'm pressing B, and I'm returning here. Now let's check the master, Sega Master System. Here, ROMs, MS. All right. So look at this. Oh my goodness, that's incredible. Look at this. Look, 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 look. Oh. And if you didn't subscribe yet, guys, please, that's the moment. Take a moment to do that for us. Help us to grow this channel, because it's been a while since the last time I post a video here, and I'm trying to, like I said, rebuild this channel, right? So yeah, okay, let's get back here. Game Gear. Okay, here, ROMs, GG, and boom! Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at these covers. I'm amazing guy, I know that. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna thank me when you put this on your Wii and you start playing everything. Especially if you create content creator, so it's gonna be good for you. And yeah, you can kind of share this content to everybody, and if you go live, yeah, for sure you're gonna use this. You can use this, all right? Okay, again, returning everything, and the last one is SG-1000. Oh my goodness, guys! ROMs, SG, and boom! Look at this. Very nice, very, very, very nice. All right, look. Like I never seen before, huh? All right, guys. So, like I said, I'm not gonna play anything because we have a lot of things to do. I don't want the video get so big, So, and yeah, and I'm returning here in order to get out and get back to the system menu. I just touching here, and that's it, guys. So that was the Genesis Plus, and yeah, so that's it. So remember, before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe. Please support us, and that's it. All right, guys. God bless you, everybody, and hope to see you at another video. Bye.